Foods that'll never make you fat. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing 10 foods that will never make you gain weight. I know one of the biggest struggles when trying to lose weight or maintain your current weight is figuring out what foods you can eat a lot of without sabotaging your progress. That's why I want to cover some nutritious foods that you can enjoy freely without worrying about the number on the scale going up. These foods are packed with protein, fiber, and nutrients to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Some even have special compounds that boost metabolism and block new fat formation. My goal is to give you plenty of guilt-free foods so you can reach your weight goals without feeling deprived. Number 1. Avocados. Avocados are an excellent food for weight loss and maintenance. Although they are high in fat, avocados contain healthy monounsaturated fats that have been shown to reduce belly fat and promote weight loss. Avocados are also packed with fiber, which keeps you feeling full for longer. Multiple studies have found that eating avocados can lead to decreased appetite, increased satiety, and better weight management over time. 2. Salmon. Salmon is one of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats have powerful anti-inflammatory effects and have been shown to help reduce insulin resistance, a risk factor for obesity. Salmon is also a great source of high-quality protein, which helps regulate appetite hormones to keep you feeling fuller for longer. Studies show that increasing protein intake from fish like salmon can decrease belly fat over time. 3. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens are low in calories and carbohydrates but packed with fiber. The high fiber content keeps you feeling satisfied on fewer calories, leading to weight loss over time. Leafy greens are also high in nitrates, which have been shown to boost metabolism and reduce fat cell formation. Studies show that eating leafy greens is associated with decreased risk of obesity and weight gain. 4. Apple cider vinegar. Although apple cider vinegar is low in calories, it may help promote weight loss in other ways. Some studies have found vinegar consumption is associated with decreased body weight and belly fat. Apple cider vinegar may increase feelings of fullness and decrease appetite. It may also improve insulin sensitivity. One study found obese individuals who consumed 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar daily lost more weight compared to a placebo. 5. Beans and legumes. Beans and legumes like lentils, chickpeas, and black beans are superb foods for weight maintenance. They are low in calories but high in protein and fiber, leading to increased satiety. Multiple studies have found that diets higher in beans and legumes are associated with lower body weight and protection against weight gain over time. Beans also help regulate blood sugar levels, which can further aid weight control. 6. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds make excellent snacks for weight maintenance. Although they're high in calories, the high protein and fiber content offsets this and leads to increased fullness compared to other snacks. Various studies have shown that eating nuts and seeds regularly is associated with lower BMI and less weight gain over time. Just be sure to watch portion sizes, as nuts and seeds are calorie-dense. #7. Berries. Berries like strawberries, raspberries and blueberries are loaded with antioxidants and fiber but low in calories. Berries increase feelings of fullness and decrease subsequent calorie intake thanks to their high fiber and low glycemic load. Multiple studies demonstrate that eating berries is associated with lower body weight and less belly fat over time. Berries also help fight inflammation, which contributes to obesity. #8. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous veggies like broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts and cabbage contain beneficial nutrients like vitamin C, folate and fiber. But they also contain sulforaphane, a compound that has been shown to prevent new fat cell formation and reduce abdominal fat. Multiple studies have found that higher intake of cruciferous vegetables is linked to lower BMI and decreased belly fat over time. #9. Whole grains. Choose minimally processed whole grain foods like oats, brown rice, quinoa and barley for weight maintenance. The fiber keeps you feeling satisfied while slowing digestion and absorption to prevent blood sugar spikes. Studies consistently link higher whole grain intake to lower body weight and less abdominal fat over time. Just be sure to watch portion sizes with grains. #10. Protein powder. Whey and pea protein powders can support weight maintenance efforts. Protein increases satiety and reduces appetite more than other macronutrients. One study found that consuming 25 grams of whey protein before meals led to significant weight loss compared to a placebo. Just be sure to choose a high-quality protein powder and watch how much you use each day. Make sure to take notes so you can incorporate more of these foods into your own diet. As always, let me know if you have any other foods you'd add to this list by leaving a comment down below.